Good morning. Today is Monday, December the 13th. Today is going to be a great day. You know, one day Jesus was ministering to a great crowd that had come to hear him. And he said, "You've heard it said," and he was speaking about the law of Moses. He said, "You've heard it said, an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth." In other words, whatever somebody does to you, you've got to repay them in equal measure. But listen, he said, "I say to you, pray for your enemies. Love your enemies. Pray for those that despitefully use you." In other words, find forgiveness for them. Pray for them. Pray that they'll have a change of heart. Pray that God will touch them. Pray that God will work in their life. Today, I want you to understand this. No matter what anybody has done to you, the Bible says we don't wrestle against flesh and blood, but we're wrestling against principalities and powers, the enemy of our soul, the enemy that's trying to come against us and stop us and stop the purpose and destiny in our life. That's what we're wrestling against. And so it's not about people. It's about the spirit behind people. And if people are walking after the pattern of this world, then they're going to do some bad things. But as children of God, we have to be higher than that. We have to overcome that. No longer an eye for an eye or a tooth for a tooth, but God, I forgive them for what they've done. And I'm praying, God, that you will touch their life, that you will help them, and that you will do something incredible in their life. Today, let me encourage you to pray for somebody who's done you wrong. You might be saying, well, that's I can't believe you're saying that. Well, that's what Jesus said. Today, won't you pray for those people who've come against you? Pray for that person on the job that's making your days difficult. Pray for those people who've spoken bad words against you. Pray for those people who have hurt you financially or whatever it is that they've done in your life. Pray for them today. Pray that God will touch them, find forgiveness in your heart for them, and watch what God will do for your life. Until tomorrow, this is Pastor Allen reminding you that God has a plan and a purpose for your life.